This is a story about rethinking, redoing, and not choosing the easy way out. It's also a story about welcoming an idea, wherever it might have come from. Workplaces today don't look the way they used to. We're moving around, using our laptops wherever we end up. HÅRTE is an LED lamp that goes wherever your laptop does. But the lamp could have turned out differently. If it weren't for the kind of random situations that often bring out the best and most defining ideas at IKEA.
We were past that part of the process and had already picked another power plug when a coworker by chance looks by and casually says, "Why aren't you using USB? It's cheaper and more practical."
The idea came from a component engineer who wasn't part of the HÅRTE team.
So we went back to the drawing board and changed it. It was the detail that made all the difference.
And of course the fact that LED bulbs will give off more than 25,000 hours of light. Enjoy your time with HÅRTE, wherever you go.